We employ 200 people in the health and social care sector of North West Wales. Approximately 90% of our workforce consider themselves to be Welsh first language. It's helped drive our business forward. The ability of staff to speak Welsh enables them to relate to our customer base more effectively. The ability for staff to speak Welsh adds value to the services that we offer. Working in the home care sector, our staff are able to put our customers at ease when delivering care in their home through their native tongue. When working in the health and social care sector, it's vitally important that people are able to communicate properly with each other. The ability to speak Welsh and English is essential to maintaining client safety and patient care. We're able to offer variety. We're able to offer services through the mediums of Welsh and or English, or both. Again, putting our customers at ease. Perhaps it is. We feel that as we're dealing with Welsh and English on a daily basis, that it's the norm for this company. We feel the unique experience we offer our customers is providing quality care by employing the best local people. Welsh is hugely important at all levels of our organisation. However, where there's daily contact with our customers and those people that purchase our services, that's where Welsh is most important, and Welsh language skills are vital at those levels of our organisation. Being able to speak clearly within both languages gives job candidates a distinct edge in the labour market. Myself being a Welsh learner, I found it's benefited me working in this industry in this part of North Wales. Employers today don't just look at qualifications and experiences when looking to put people into post. The ability to present well in both English and Welsh is held by employers as being equally important. If you can confidently read, write and present well in English and Welsh, you will be looked at as a better job candidate.